we're back in the Roxy Hotel where we stayed last night, and this morning we're heading for a little wander around New York to show Kelly some of the sights. And then we're heading back to the Challenger to resume work. There's a new master cylinder turning up this morning, and hoping to get it running and driving once and for all. But that might not happen.
Only in New York can you find Broadway. See the glimmering lights shining so bright, turning night to day.
So we're back here at Ira's garage, and it's been a frantic little morning and afternoon actually. And it's my birthday! It's my birthday today! I've got the new master cylinder over there. It's finally arrived and we've already bled it, so it should just be ready to fit. So I'm going to fit that and see if we can get the brakes work. So Ira's just arrived and has asked us to go and pick up a coffee for him in his Corvette, to which I agreed, of course. That was amazing as always. We have some advancements. We're waiting on some parts turning up from Classic Industries, which is the parts to rebuild that door because the glass is not sitting in the right place, and every time you shut the door the glass nearly breaks, so we need to fit that. Got new door pins for the hinges because this door here drops easily an inch, not 2 inches maybe. It's pretty bad. Also purchased some polish. Not that it's a turd, but we are going to try and polish it. I don't know why, I really like polishing cars when they're really old and rough. I just think it'll come up nice. I think we're going to take it for a test run today because we're worried about the clutch, so. We bled the brakes, thanks to Ira for your help bleeding the brakes. We now have the new master cylinder installed, and we have a brake pedal! Got a solid pedal. Oh, I'm so excited to drive this. I've ordered more parts from Classic Industries. That is the chrome for the front of the bonnet. There's only one problem, which has been building up for the last week, and that is I'm starting to run out of time to get to Mexico, because I really need to be back in Scotland for the 30th of October. So I am really cutting it fine, really running out of time, and I need to have a think about that. Okay, so now we're about to take the Challenger on its first test run to see if the clutch actually works. Ira's got its trade plates on, which means I can drive it. Can we just sit down somewhere and drink our champagne that the reception gave us? Just checked into our new hotel. Amazing! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, here's a happy birthday to you! And it's my birthday! It's my birthday! It's my birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, did you know it's my birthday? It's my birthday. You have to be nice to me all day. Okay, all day. It's my birthday. Where's our Uber? It's my birthday today. Happy birthday to me. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Oh, hello. Hello again.
Happy birthday to you.